You're on mute again, Mataji.
ॐ अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। श्रीचैतन्यमनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूप कदा मह्यं ददाति स्वपदान्तिकम्। Just a minute. वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरुः श्रीयुतपदकमलं श्रीगुरून् वैष्णवांश्च श्रीरूपं साग्रजातं सगणरघुनाथान्वितं तं सजीवं साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं श्रीकृष्णचैतन्यदेव श्रीराधा कृष्णपादान् सगणललिता श्रीविशाखान्वितांश्च हे कृष्णा करुणा सिन्धो दीनबन्धो जगत्पते गोपेश गोपिका कान्त राधाकान्त नमोऽस्तुते तप्त कानचन गौराङ्गी राधे वृन्दावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्येव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे. So thank you so much Prabhuji for joining. I'm sorry today when I started the Zoom class I was having some problem with my video. I think that some setting has been changed. I'll have to see what has happened. So for today, I think I'll have to keep my video off for some time so that I can speak properly.
No problem.
So thank you so much for joining. And so without further delay, let's get into the katha because we have a lot to cover and we have only two more sessions. Rest assured, I will wrap up on 6th of October. I won't take it beyond that. So thank you so much for cooperating with the announcement that I made yesterday.
Mhm. No worries.
And the timings thing was is set for Saturday as per your request. And I saw when I put a poll on the group that many other people also chose for Saturday. So I'm hoping that they will also join for the upcoming Kartikatha. So anyway, so last time we were discussing about Srila Prabhupada, how he when he his arrival to America and then the initial struggle he was um, facing to start a small center, a small temple, and to start the International Society for Krishna Consciousness, and we stopped the katha to the up to the point where Srila Prabhupada, with the help of some of his known acquaintances and friends by that time, took the possession of 26th Avenue uh, storefront in New York, the Matchless Gift, and he started staying there. And how, Carl and Eva and Michael Nat and Robert Nelson and other few friends of Prabhupada had helped him to set up the place. Like Mr. Gardiner got the place painted and telephone connection, and there was a small washroom, and then things like that. He started, uh, all the luggage of Prabhupada, all his belongings were brought there. So a group of people helped him to settle down there, and we also discussed that how he was taking a walk on the streets of Manhattan, and then he met Mr. Rubin, and he sat on a bench, and he spoke that we have a lot of books, a lot of publications, and a lot of temples, but only um time will bring it to the front. Right now, people can see nothing, but time will only tell and bring it all these things to the front. So we have a very great philosophy. So his initial struggle we discussed like last time. He was staying at Dr. Mishra's studio. Then he was staying in the same building on the fifth floor, and then he came to room number 307. And how Mr. Gopal and uh, his wife Sally welcomed him and hosted Prabhupada for a month. And after that, Prabhupada was also thinking that if I continue to stay here, I will be bound by the uh, restrictions of living with a family. So I would not be able to preach to the fullest extent. And he decided to go to New York. And Sally was worried about him, and all these things we saw. And finally we rested the katha on Prabhupada having the possession of 26th Avenue, New York. And I also mentioned one last point last time, which was that uh, people uh, people in the locale of 26th Avenue knew that some new person has come in that place, but they were not bothered. And it was a very busy street. Cars used to come and go, so no one was bothered कि वहां पे रहने के लिए कौन आया है क्या नहीं. बस इतना they knew कि some new person has come. And if we see that coincidentally the name of the place, the name of the storefront was Matchless Gift, because of a Sanskrit professor staying there before Prabhupada. And he named and it was a very small humble gift shop, and he named it Matchless Gift. But actually Prabhupada had in the true sense come to give the matchless gift now. So the purpose and the meaning of the name Matchless Gift was about to be fulfilled uh, after the arrival of Prabhupada at 26th Avenue. So let me tell you my plan, what I've thought about it. So today I will be discussing the activities that happened in the 26th Avenue, and in the coming 2 weeks, like this whole week, I'll be preparing for the last two sessions that we are supposed to have, because we have limited time, and I have to necessarily give all the audience a gap to freshen up themselves for Kartik Katha. So this whole week, whenever I get time, I will be making a chronology of the events that happened in these 12 years from 66, from 66 to 77, sorry, 10 years. So I will be preparing for that, and then I will be discussing all those things, because it is still not possible to discuss 10 years with every nuance and detail. But I will try my best to, cover as much as possible. And in the last session, if we um, still have something remaining to cover on the Prabhupada Leela, so I will summarize it. I will not discuss it much in detail because in the last session, my focus will be on the entire mood of Prabhupada's life and his exemplary and transcendental disappearance pastime. So this is how the upcoming two sessions will go. And today I will be focusing on the activities on 26th Avenue because today we'll see in the Katha that Prabhupada has actually met his initial disciples in the New York who took initiation from him, and how he did marriages and things like that, and we'll discuss several things. So after having set up the 26th Avenue storefront as Prabhupada's house, uh, what Prabhupada did was there was a front room which he used for preaching and everything. But at the back side of the room, he used to use it as a personal space. So he made up his writing desk there. He placed the books there, and he had one photo of Krishna, one picture of Krishna, where Krishna is playing the flute, and Mother Cow is standing next to Krishna. So he placed the picture and he set up all his personal working area. So in the front room, he used to, use for preaching and class. So last time also, I think I discussed that he put up a banner only outside the Matchless gift shop that classes on Bhagavad Gita by A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. So,
Yes.
and Prabhupada, and one more important point is that Prabhupada used to always, when he used to work in the other room, in the other smaller room, which he made as his personal work area, he used to still keep the front door of the Matlas gift shop open so that anyone and everyone can come to speak with him on personal level and speaking about philosophy. तो ऐसा नहीं था कि अगर the class is only on Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So other days Prabhupada would not close the door and silently work on his writing. He used to keep the door open even when the classes are not there, just so that out of curiosity, at least people will come. People will, just peep inside and out of curiosity drop in and speak to him, and somewhere somehow he will get an opportunity to speak about the philosophy and to speak about Krishna. So this was his initial thing. And so one day he was after like about in the afternoon or something, he left for a walk from the 26th Avenue. He left for a walk, for a regular health walk that we do. So he left for a walk, and as he was walking towards uh, towards the Moth Street and then to the Fifth Street, he saw one person coming, and the other person also saw Prabhupada walking, and the other person's name was Howard Wheeler. Okay, so Howard Wheeler was a person who had experienced India before. So he kind of like when he saw Prabhupada for the first time, he um he had this thought in his mind that let's go to him and ask him that is he from India, because Howard Wheeler had experienced Indian culture before. He had been to India before, so he went to Prabhupada and exchanged pleasantries, and then Prabhupada also exchanged pleasantries. And then after that, he asked Prabhupada that Swamiji, are you from India? I am very enthusiastic to know about his Indian culture and religion, but I was not sure if you are from India or what. So Prabhupada also very happily started speaking, and then Howard Wheeler was supposed to go to some friend's house, um, to visit some friend. But after meeting Prabhupada on the streets, he just got so excited that in the excitement, he came back, and he came back to his apartment where two other people were also living with him, and their name was Keith and Valley. So Howard, very excitedly, he went home to his apartment and he said, "You know what? One Swamiji has come from India, and he seems to be very calm and very, patient and loving. On the at that time, because that thought came to his mind because that Swamiji is very calm. Because in 1960s in America, the culture was the hippie culture where people were very dissatisfied within their heart, and they were not having a specific purpose and the aim of life, and they were looking for a particular purpose in their life and looking for a particular direction. They had certain values, though values like brotherhood and you know like helping each other and like finding what can give them the ultimate happiness, kind of a thing. Like they always wanted to stay high in the meaning they always wanted to stay uh, highly intoxicated, like you know being oblivious to the surroundings. They just wanted some high kind of a pleasure. So they until the arrival of Prabhupada, the people of New York knew only one kind of high intoxication, which could make them oblivious from the difficult surroundings there in New York at that time, and that was LSD and marijuana. But after Prabhupada came, so slowly the people of New York and the people of America started noticing him. So this Howard Wheeler and Keith and Valley. Last time we were discussing about the Paradox restaurant. That when Prabhupada came to the Bowery, Lower East Side, people in the Paradox restaurant started speaking about him, and that's how Prabhupada got little publicity that his a Swami has come from India to give some kind of a new message or something like that. So here also in the 26th Avenue, when Howard Wheeler, Keith and Valley, they became very excited that we should go and see what Swamiji has to offer, uh, for us. And Howard Wheeler also saw that outside of the Matchless gift shop, Prabhupada has put up a banner for the classes. So Howard Wheeler very excitedly told Prabhupada that I will bring my friends also. So Howard, Keith, and Valley also did the same thing. They also started spreading the word that one Swami has come from India, and he is very patient and this and that. In a way, they kind of understood Prabhupada's um, personality, understood Prabhupada's genuine intent, that he was hoping and trying to give some genuine kind of message to people. So they understood Prabhupada's intent. And they understood that Prabhupada has come to help us, to give us, like, in a certain way, give us relief uh, from the present state in America. And he wants us to take, like, he wants us to give us the highest. He wants to give us the highest pleasure, kind of a thing. जैसे मैंने बोला कि उस टाइम पे LSD एंड मैरिजुआना से लोग हमेशा हाई रहना चाहते थे, हाईली इंटॉक्सिकेटेड रहना चाहते थे. उस टाइम पे लोग पर्पस ढूंढ रहे थे अपनी लाइफ का. So these three people, Howard, Keith, and Valley, understood Swamiji's intent, and Howard went with Keith and Valley and couple of other friends for the Monday Bhagavad Gita class. And there, like about 10 to 12 people came for the Bhagavad Gita class. So there what happened was Prabhupada started doing kirtan. So that kirtan went on for like half an hour or something like that. And then Prabhupada had one kartal for himself to play. And he had 3, 4 other kartals also. So he gave the audience. He gave it to the audience, and he was like. He was like, I'll teach you the tune, so you also, you also play the kartal and, start singing Hare Krishna. So initially it was like Prabhupada wanted the audience to give chorus, but then slowly and gradually everyone started developing some rasa for the, Hare Krishna Mahamantra. So what happened was uh, initially it was very slow, but later on, like people developed rasa and people understood that this Hare Krishna chanting had some kind of a different kind of a effect. Some they could understand that this Hare Krishna Mahamantra has certain high power. Are you there, Madhu Prabhu?
Yes, I'm here. Yes, I'm here.
Okay. So they understood that this has some high power. This sound has some high power. So the street of the 26th Avenue was a very busy street. So in that time, evening time, around so many cars would come and go. Children would scream and make noise and whatnot. So one person stood up and said, Prabhupada, it's very disturbing here. So can we close the door? And then we can peacefully have the class. So, but Prabhupada would say no, don't keep the door open, don't close the door, because people will see and stop by and just see, just look, at least out of curiosity. So this sound can go in their ears also. So people उनके बाजू में एक स्टोर था 26 एवेन्यू के कुछ something like electricity and gas station. I don't know what was that, but एक स्टोर था, तो वो स्टोर वाला भी डिस्टर्ब होने लग गया था. तो आधे, क्योंकि बाद में when they develop taste ना, the audience develop taste, they started chanting a little louder, so the other store also started becoming disturbed, and they were like chup karo, chup karo, chup karo, keep quiet. And from the building 26th Avenue के सामने, right in front of 26th Avenue, there was another building, and one person shouted from one window that चले जाओ यहाँ से, चले जाओ, ऐसे बोला. So look at Prabhupada's enthusiasm. He said that हाँ, वो बच्चों को जाने के लिए बोल रहे, क्योंकि बच्चे बहुत शोर मचा रहे ना, इसलिए बच्चों को जाने के लिए बोल रहे हूँ. तो look at his enthusiasm कि like 10 to 12 people के साथ भी उनको कितना enthusiasm है. और अगर लोग बोल रहे हैं कि चले जाओ यहाँ से, चले जाओ, चुप करो, but no one is bothered, because everyone is like getting connected with the power of Harinam. So उनका भी enthusiasm, प्रभुपाद का तो enthusiasm एकदम transcendently divine है. And Prabhupada said कि हाँ, बच्चों को चुप कराने के लिए बोल रहे हैं. So after having half an hour of kirtan, then what happened was one drunkard, completely drunk person came inside of the room where Prabhupada was giving the Bhagavad Gita class. and he said that I have got you something, I have got something for you, I have to give something. So Prabhupada was like, keep quiet and sit down, keep quiet and sit down. Very calmly Prabhupada was saying that. So, but he said, no, no, I have to get you something. I have something for you. So I will be back in, 5 minutes or so. So he went and everyone was like, who was this? ऐसे कि तो एकदम अंदर आ गया and सब disturb हो गए. Everything got disturbed. So, Prabhupada continued the lecture, and after 5 minutes or so, the person again came, and that person, what did he bring? Bought with himself some toilet rolls or something. So some toilet rolls and some soaps and or be like some kind of toiletries, so to say. So he went straight into the small washroom there, which was there. So he kept everything. जो भी वो अपने साथ टॉयलेट पेपर्स एंड सोप्स एंड some kind of toiletries लेके आया था, वो रख के he silently like he came out and Prabhupada was like, what's that? क्या है? So that man did not say anything, did not say a word, and he just went out silently, and everyone started wondering that what was that. So when after the kirtan, Prabhupada was doing the lecture, and this thing happened while the lecture was going on. The lecture शुरू होने से पहले ना many people left, क्योंकि people were actually enjoying kirtan and the Hare Krishna chanting. But as soon as Swamiji started giving lecture, some people gave him a look like क्या ये कीर्तन बन करके lecture क्यों start किया है? Kirtan is giving them certain kind of transcendental pleasure actually, which they also don't know that what they are experiencing, because everything is new for them. So तो कुछ लोग ऐसे ना ऐसा looks देके, cold looks देके, they give some cold looks to Prabhupada, and then they went back. तो वो चले गए उठ के, उन्होंने लेक्चर के लिए वेट नहीं किया. फिर लेक्चर देते देते बीच में ये इंसिडेंट हुआ. तो Prabhupada was like, but there was some sincere people in the audience who continued to stay for the lecture even after the kirtan. So Prabhupada was speaking very basic philosophy in the lecture. Magar Prabhupada could see that these people cannot fathom even the basic philosophy also in their heads. They are not able to understand this basic philosophy also. But when this thing happened with the drunkard person and all that, so Prabhupada took up the example from this also. He said that देखो, the propensity to serve is within everyone. We just have to put it into right direction also. So those people who were sitting there for the lecture were actually thinking, that Swamiji is so simple. इतना disturbance हो गया because of the drunkard, but he is so simple. He did not get angry. In fact, he's taking it as an example, and he's trying to connect and these things. So people who were so also there is one more thing to mention here, that people who were sitting for the lecture that Prabhupada was giving was also noticing, looking at the surrounding, that it was very simple small room. It did not have nice chairs also. It had simple straw mats for sitting, and simple one bulb was lit up. कुछ ज्यादा lighting भी नहीं था, and Prabhupada's Prabhupada's aura is definitely transcendental. People could understand that, but something different. मतलब उनको मतलब like he is completely in a composure like that of a sea. जैसे उनको इतने सारे botherations ये डिस्ट्रैक्शन से सब बॉदर ही नहीं कर रहे हैं, मतलब पीपल कुड सी दैट, एंड एक हम्बल सेटिंग है, एक हम्बल सराउंडिंग है, एंड the speaker is trying to give some genuine uplifting kind of a message, so they could see that. So then what happened next was, these three people, especially Keith, Valley, and Howard, they became Prabhupada's regular students. Like they used to regularly visit Prabhupada, and Prabhupada used to, like, as I said कि जब भी कथा नहीं होती थी तब भी उनके मतलब वो शॉप का 26th एवेन्यू टेम्पल का दरवाजा खुला होता था कि कोई भी आके कभी भी मिल सकता है, एंड कैन स्पीक विद प्रभुपाद लीजरली. तो as we have already discussed in the कथा कि प्रभुपाद अपनी कुकिंग खुद करते थे. तो सम पीपल वर लाइक, वो ना लेक्चर में आते थे ना कीर्तन में आते थे, लेकिन प्रभुपाद के हाथ का खाना खाने जरूर आते थे, क्योंकि प्रभुपाद इतना टेस्टी प्रसादम बनाते थे. तो these three people, तो जब भी थोड़े लोग आने लगे ऐसे, 10-12 people started coming, like some people were from the group of the Keith and Valley, and they started regularly coming. So Prabhupada said that, यहाँ पे एक अनाउंसमेंट करो कि जो भी आएगा कभी भी आ सकता है और जितना मर्जी चाहे उतना खा सकता है. तो लोगों को ये मतलब एक ह्यूमैनिटेरियन ब्रदरहुड एंड एक फैमिलियल एनवायरनमेंट हो गया लोगों को. लाइक दे स्टार्टेड ऐसे एक फैमिली जैसा फील होने लग गया, द पीपल हु यूज्ड टू कम देयर. So they used to come, and then Prabhupada started giving cooking training to Keith. So for Keith it was like very very new thing, ऐसे खाने को तड़का लगाना, दाल पक रही है, and there are rotis and what not, like दाल चावल and roti, the simple, very staple simple Indian food. तो वो बहुत बहुत अच्छा लगता था. मतलब कि इतने लोग आके खा रहे हैं, पसंद कर रहे हैं, एंड लोग तो ऐसे आते थे जो खाते थे, तो 10 to 12 rotis also some people would have, क्योंकि प्रभुपाद used to feed them so lovingly कि ऐसे मतलब जैसे घर पे कोई प्यार से खाना खिलाता है वैसे खिलाते थे प्रभुपाद उनको. तो ये इतना अच्छा चल रहा था. देन एक बार क्या हुआ कि एक बार और हावर्ड, कीथ एंड वैली ने सोचा कि क्लास इज ऑन 7 PM, सो वी विल गो अ लिटिल अर्ली, एंड हमारे पास जो हम इंडिया से कुछ पोस्टर्स लेके आए थे, एंड कुछ देयर वाज समथिंग फॉर डेकोरेशन आल्सो. So we'll go there, and Swamiji will be continue working in the other second room, but we will decorate the first room. We'll put up the poster, then put up some decorations that we have bought from India, and we'll decorate it like a temple. Okay, and they did that, and they put up the poster of Hanumanji which they had, and they put up a poster of uh, put up a poster of Shadbhuj Bhagwan, as in, like Krishna is standing in the Shadbhuj form. So ऐसा जैसा two green hands में, like जैसे bow and arrow है. The bluish black hands are having flute in the hand. The yellow hands are having, like kamandalu and the sannyas danda the hand. So um, so they put up all the posters, and then they decorated the room. And when Prabhupada came for the class in the evening, Prabhupada was actually surprised that who did this, and he was very happy. It was like पूरा, और प्रभुपाद के बैठने के लिए they made up a wooden व्यास आसन also, और वो प्लैंक के ऊपर अच्छे से बैक सपोर्ट लगा के what they did, उसको वेलवेट से कवर किया एंड उसके कुछ सिल्क कर्टन्स भी थे, वो भी लगाए रूम में। एंड प्रभुपाद के व्यास आसन का जो बनाया उन्होंने, उसके पीछे उन्होंने लाइक पूरा राधा कृष्ण का पिक्चर लगाया। तो उनको पता भी नहीं था कि ये सब पिक्चर पोस्टर्स किसके हैं, क्या है, कुछ पता नहीं उनको। बट दे डिड इट because they felt that Swamiji is doing so much for us, is trying to give like uh, a strong message, and trying to preach righteousness, and feeding us so much, and so many people out there he's feeding. So let us do something. So the point here is that जितने भी लोग प्रभुपाद से मिलने आते थे, handful of them understood the genuine intent of Prabhupada and were actually receptive to take what Prabhupada was offering. So they did that, and Prabhupada, smiled like had a bright smile on his face. And then Keith was also very happy that Prabhupada is smiling. But then Prabhupada became silent after some time. So everyone out there was thinking that what happened, like Swami ji ko अच्छा लगा कि नहीं लगा, he liked it or not, he don't know. So after say a minute or two, Prabhupada started smiling again. And then Keith and all these other two people also understood that okay, Prabhupada is happy and he has accepted our service. So like this it happened. And Prabhupada recollects, in a journey with his disciples, he recollects that when he was about to leave for America, he thought that he would get only boiled potatoes for eating, but he was very happy to see कि यहाँ पे there is rice also, there is dal also, there is like proper basic Indian things to go. Basic Indian things are available to cook good Indian food like vegetables, and these things are also there. So he was very happy to see. So when I was preparing for the session, I was just thinking that एक कहाँ Prabhupada when he set his foot for New York in Jaladuta, he was having so many apprehensions, and then he surrendered to Krishna and he said, "Oh Krishna, I'm your puppet, make me dance as you want." And then when he came, तो उनको कितना struggle करना पड़ा. There was no proper place for him to stay, and उनका भी कुछ ऐसा ठिकाना नहीं था खाएंगे या जो भी सर्दी क्लाइमेट एंड कितने सारे struggles थे. But today, see, I mean, Prabhupada is like, whenever I was reading the Leelamrit yesterday while preparing for that one, I was thinking that, see, today, like, 26th Avenue, actually एक थोड़ा setup हो गया एक center जैसा. So he's feeding like people, मतलब प्रसादम खिला रहे हैं लोगों को. तो I was thinking that Krishna ही like आपको लेके जाते हैं स्लोली एंड स्लोली, अलग अलग एक्सपीरियंस के साथ कृष्णा आपको राइट डायरेक्शन में लेके जाते हैं. पढ़ने से ऐसा ही लग रहा था. और ये सेशंस के लिए प्रिपेयर करने के लिए मैं खुद भी यूट्यूब पे भी सुनती हूँ. काफी सारे जो लीलामृत के और भी लेक्चर्स अवेलेबल है, वो सबको मैं सुनती हूँ थोड़ा, और लीलामृत पढ़ती हूँ, और फिर सब लेक्चर्स में से थोड़ा थोड़ा क्लब करके आई एम लाइक ओके, लाइक दिस पॉइंट I have to speak, and I kind of try to take out the essence and bring it to the session, because I have always said it from day one that मैंने जो भी सुना है, जो सीखा है, और जो खुद मेरे 16 years का जो पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस है, उससे जो मैंने अनुभव किया है, जो पाया है कृष्ण के प्रति, जितना भी एक ड्रॉप ऑफ, आई वोंट से लव, क्योंकि अगर मैं कृष्णा से प्यार करती तो और किसी चीज से बॉदर नहीं होती मैं। So I would say attraction, I would say, attachment, क्योंकि प्यार होता है तो फिर किसी बात की चिंता नहीं होती। अगर अभी हमें थोड़ा डर है, थोड़ी चिंता है कि हमारे लाइफ में क्या होगा, दैट मीन्स कि we don't have unflinching faith in Krishna as yet. But I would definitely say that I am, strongly attracted to Radharani and Krishna and have like a deep attachment. I would definitely not say love, क्योंकि मैं अभी personally I know myself, I'm not on that stage of loving Radha and Krishna, because फिर वो होता है तो उनके आगे कुछ दिखता नहीं है, और मतलब और किसी चीज की परवाह नहीं होती, टेंशन नहीं होती। even when you are doing the household daily duties, you are you seem like unbothered with the like with the difficulties coming your way. You just like carry your responsibilities in a proper way. You just fulfill your responsibilities and you do your best and leave the rest, and you just serve the Lord. जब भी uh, you have love for Krishna तो ऐसा होता है, but अभी think I definitely do not think that I love Krishna as yet. So definitely there's a deep attachment, तो मैं यही कोशिश करती हूँ. So there is a, for me to like sit here and speak, there is a lot of preparation that is done. Like my Fridays and my Saturdays are completely devoted to like reading Prabhupada Lilamrit, hearing about Lilamrit, and all these things. So I was also thinking कि कृष्णा कैसे आपको रास्ते पे लेके आते हैं धीरे धीरे, आपको डिफरेंट डिफरेंट एक्सपीरियंसेस के साथ, हाउ कृष्णा ब्रिंग्स यू टू द राइट डायरेक्शन, एक 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 चीज जोड़ती है। अभी सब कुछ एक साथ नहीं होता है, लाइक प्रभुपाद लीलामृत, व्हेन वी स्टार्टेड डिस्कसिंग राइट फ्रॉम day one up until this point, the only point that I would like to mention in summary is Prabhupada's personal sadhana, Prabhupada's uh, Krishna conscious upbringing was so strong, and he had to like fulfill so many responsibilities in his life uh, when he was, in the Grihastha ashram. He had so much to do, but still, like he continued to work and to serve for Krishna, and think about how he can serve Krishna in better ways and multiple ways. So Krishna was always constantly there in Prabhupada's heart and mind, regardless of the fact that he was so entangled with all the daily nitty gritties of daily life. So all these things were there. तो कैसे कैसे कृष्णा ने उनको लेके आए हैं, प्रभुपाद की लाइफ की जर्नी देख लो, कैसे कैसे उनकी लाइफ, उनका चाइल्डहुड कितना स्ट्रांग है कृष्णा कॉन्शियसनेस में, उनका एक स्ट्रांग बेस है। एंड देन हिज लाइफ इज लाइक फैमिली लाइफ में अप्स एंड डाउन्स के बावजूद भी कृष्णा ने हमेशा उनको आगे लेते गए, बिकॉज कृष्णा हैड like completely different plans for Prabhupada. Prabhupada had to make like ISKCON, had to preach Krishna's glories all around the world. So कितने सारे difficulties के बाद भी प्रभुपाद ने लाइक उस चीज को कंटिन्यू रखा है, एंड कृष्णा हैज, तो ऐसा नहीं है कि यू डोंट गेट अप्स एंड डाउन्स, जितने अप्स एंड डाउन्स आई थिंक प्रभुपाद की लाइफ में आए, उसका 1% भी अगर हमारी लाइफ में आया होता तो हम तो मतलब भक्ति वक्ति छोड़ के पता नहीं कहाँ का क्या ही कर रहे होते हैं। आई रियली फील दैट। तो but Prabhupada has so nicely, with a complete dependency on Krishna, has so nicely come through. And so coming back to the thing, so this prasadam thing was happening and all these things were happening. And the devotees who used to come to the class of Prabhupada used to very lovingly and fondly see that how, Prabhupada is offering whatever the meals are cooked. Prabhupada is offering it to the picture of Lord Chaitanya and Krishna. So all these things were very new for those people there. But then what happened was Keith, one time while cooking, Prabhupada came and stood near to Keith. And Keith actually was very happy कि स्वामी जी को इतना अच्छा लग रहा है and such good things are happening and so Keith expressed to Prabhupada कि क्या मैं आपका शिष्य बन सकता हूँ क्या स्वामी जी. So Prabhupada was so happy to hear and finally इतना struggle के बाद like 1 साल होने आया है अमेरिका में और इतना स्ट्रगल के बाद उन्होंने अमेरिका आने के लिए कितना स्ट्रगल किया, अमेरिका में कितना स्ट्रगल किया और अब जाके by Krishna's mercy one sincere soul is seeking to take shelter at his like to take shelter to be completely connected to like him and to Krishna. So Prabhupada ने Keith को बड़े gladly he told him कि your name will be Krishna Das and very soon we'll have Diksha ceremonies and for now we'll just go out and we'll make an announcement कि बहुत जल्दी हम यहाँ पे इनिशिएशंस करने वाले हैं क्योंकि जब कीथ ने डिजायर एक्सप्रेस की उसके बाद प्रभुपाद को आइडिया आया कि इनिशिएशंस भी होने चाहिए for the sincere souls who are regularly coming in trying to connect to Krishna's message and to Krishna. So he made an announcement that very soon we will have initiations here and he told Keith कि आप जाके जपमाला की तैयारी करो. तो Keith ने जाके he just went on to the market and he bought some like छोटे छोटे लकड़ी के मोती उससे माला बनाने के लिए. So that's how उसके बाद नेक्स्ट सेशन में हम ये देखेंगे कि प्रभुपाद ने कैसे लाइक इनिशिएशंस किए, इनिशिएशंस क्या है वो बताया एंड जब जब वो सब पिक्चर्स लग गए थे रूम में जो रूम प्रभुपाद के लिए डेकोरेट किया था तो एक्चुअली जो लोग सुनने आए थे ऑडियंस ने प्रभुपाद को पूछा कि ये कौन है, ये मंकी है कि कैट है क्या है, तो उनको कुछ पता ही नहीं था. तो प्रभुपाद ने एक एक पिक्चर के पास ही टुक देम एंड ही एक्सप्लेन कि दिस इज हनुमान एंड दिस इज षडभुज कृष्णा एंड ये ऐसा है, ये पिक्चर ऐसा है, इस पिक्चर के मीनिंग समझाया. तो कुछ तो फ्रॉम स्क्रैच प्रभुपाद ने वहाँ के ऑडियंस को किया है और इस तरीके से इनिशियल डिसाइपल जैसे हम नेक्स्ट टाइम डिस्कस करने वाले इनिशिएशंस के और प्रभुपाद यूज्ड टू लाइक कंडक्ट मैरिजेस आल्सो अमंग हिज डिसाइपल्स. तो वो सब भी दीक्षाएं चर्चा होगी एंड कैसे लाइक जब सैन फ्रांसिस्को की टेम्पल बनी कैसे बनी क्या हुआ दैट विल बी डिस्कस्ड in the next session. But the only last point that I would like to make here is कि I could only think one thing जब मैं कल बैठ के पढ़ रही थी कि more than philosophy, more than anything, I think actions connect you to people. तो जो भी प्रभुपाद से कनेक्ट हुए वो प्रभुपाद का जेन्युइन डिजायर देख के और जेन्युइन उनको पता भी नहीं था कि कृष्ण क्या है, कृष्ण कौन है, पर उनको पता था दैट ही इज डीपली कनेक्टेड टू गॉड, इतना समझ में आता था उनको. सो दे कुड सी हिज लव फॉर कृष्णा एंड उनका एंथुजियाज्म कुछ अलग ही है. लाइक तो आप जब किसी को देखते हो मतलब अगर कोई जेन्युइन, दैट्स माय पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस, अगर अगर कोई जेन्युइन डिवोटी जो दिल से बात कर रहा है या दिल से मिलता है, जो भी है, आप उसके कांटेक्ट में आते हो ना किसी जेन्युइन इंसान के, तो आपका जो दिल है वो 1 मिनट, मतलब 1 सेकंड में वो शांत हो जाता है। यू फॉरगेट एवरीथिंग, यू फॉरगेट एवरी, लाइक जो भी लाइफ में वरीज चल रही है, जो भी अप्स एंड डाउन चल रही है, फॉरगेट एवरीथिंग, एंड एकदम से दिल को एक विश्राम स्थिति प्राप्त होती है। तो आई वुड जस्ट लाइक टू एंड विद, जैसे यहाँ पे जब मैं पहली बार गई थी, मैंने जब पहला मेरे शिक्षा गुरु महाराज का जो मैंने पहला मीटिंग थी मेरी उनके साथ, तो मैं मेरी भी ये भावना थी कि मैंने कृष्ण के बारे में, तब तक मैं राधानाथ स्वामी महाराज की एंड श्रीला प्रभुपाद की सम ऑफ द बुक्स आई हैड रेड। तो मुझे ऐसा लगता था दैट आई एम सर्विंग लड्डू गोपाल लाइक फॉर पास्ट 6 or 7 years, and I have been reading Prabhupada's books, and तो मुझे पता है, मतलब कृष्ण के बारे में मुझे पता है, एंड मैं तो बस मेरे को मतलब कृष्ण के बारे में थोड़ा सुनना अच्छा लगता है या जो भी है, और थोड़ा जानेंगे जो भी करेंगे तो, और माय ओनली मोटिव वाज टू कृष्ण के बारे में और जानेंगे, कृष्ण की पूजा और अच्छे से करेंगे, उससे खुश रखेंगे, तो कृष्णा विल फुलफिल माय डिजायर, दैट वाज माय ओनली मोटिव। और इसी मोटिव के साथ मैं जब पहली बार मिलने गई, तो पहला जो लेक्चर था, बहुत आज जब मैं सोचती हूँ तो बहुत ऊंचे लेवल का पॉइंट चल रहा था वहां पे, जो भगवत गीता का जो पहला लेक्चर था। एनीवेज में वो लॉन्ग स्टोरी है, वो कभी बाद में करेंगे। तो जब मैं बात करते हुए देख रही थी ना उनको, आई कुड ओनली अंडरस्टैंड दैट दिस पर्सन इज स्पीकिंग फ्रॉम हिज हार्ट। जो भी था ना, मतलब जो भी बात कर रहे थे वो उनकी आंखों में दिख रहा था, उनकी आंखों में दिख रहा था, उनके जो जेस्चर्स होते हैं उस सब में दिख रहा था। जब मैंने जाके बाद में इंट्रोड्यूस किया, सब किया, फिर धीरे 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 मैं कंटिन्यू जाने लगी। देन आफ्टर 1 year I was like, I have to take this seriously. I thought, like, one time intensely बारिश हो रही थी, एंड आई वाज थिंकिंग कि आज ट्यूसडे है, बट आज शायद प्रभु जी नहीं आएंगे क्योंकि बहुत इंटेंस बारिश हो रही है। हम लोग तो जाए हैं, बट शायद प्रभु जी आएंगे कि नहीं पता नहीं, शायद वापस आना पड़ेगा घर। जिनके डिवोटी के घर पे वो होता था, तो शायद आंटी के घर से वापस आना पड़ेगा। तो मैं गई और मैंने जाकर देखा कि मैंने टाइम से ना मैं बहुत एंथुसियास्टिक हो गई थी मेरे शिक्षा गुरु महाराज से मिलने के बाद, और मैं एंथुसियास्टिकली रहती थी, और कई बार ना मैं सबसे पहले पहुंचती थी वहां पे। तो मैंने देखा कि कोई नहीं है, आई एम द फर्स्ट वन टू एंटर, बट on the place where mic is there, everything is there. On the chair, Radha Gopinath Prabhuji is sitting, and I was like wondering, like it's pouring so heavily, and he's come from like me, इससे पहले सेम डे वो शायद मीरा रोड में प्रीचिंग करके आते हैं, तो मीरा रोड से वो ट्रेन लेके he has come, like इतना बारिश हो रहा, एंड दैट वाज द डे दैट ड्यू, लाइक व्हाइल हियरिंग द लेक्चर, आई डिसाइडेड कि मेरे को कृष्णा कॉन्शियस सीरियसली लेना है। इट इज नॉट लाइक आई जेन्युइनली पहली बार मेरे दिल में वो बात आई कि आई एम नॉट कमिंग हियर फॉर सम पायस एंटरटेनमेंट, कि एवरी ट्यूसडे आती हूँ सुन के जाती हूँ, एंड जो मतलब भगवान का पूजा सेवा करती हूँ। आई वॉन्ट टू टेक दिस लाइक कृष्णा कॉन्शियसनेस सीरियसली, एंड दैट वॉज द डे जब मैंने मेरी उसके बाद कुछ चीजें हुई, और मैंने मेरी मॉम को बोला कि मॉम, आई वॉन्ट टू गिव अप ऑनियन गार्लिक, एंड मतलब मेरा डाइट ऑनियन गार्लिक वगैरह सब निकालो उसमें से, क्योंकि मुझे सीरियसली ये करना है। तो मॉम वाज लाइक शॉक्ड कि ऐसा इतना क्या। तो जो the point I'm trying to say is पहली मुलाकात में, पहली मीटिंग में मेरे ऊपर एक इम्प्रेशन पड़ गया, एक प्रभाव पड़ गया। जब आप किसी से मिलते हैं, किसी जेन्युइन इंसान से जो कृष्णा के साथ डीपली कनेक्ट होता है, उसके साथ पहली मुलाकात में ऐसा फील होता है कि मतलब he is the right person. When I came back and when I told Krishna कि I met one senior devotee, बहुत अच्छा प्रवचन किया and बहुत अच्छा लगा यार, मैं एकदम शांत हो गई, मतलब मैं मन शांत हो गया, मैं सब कुछ भूल गई, मैं जो भी गई थी मैं भूल गई, मैं चुपचाप बैठ के सुनने लगी। सो द पॉइंट आई एम ट्राइंग टू मेक हियर इज कि आप किसी भी मोटिव से आओ कृष्ण कथा में, बट अगर सामने वाला पर्सन इज स्पीकिंग जेन्युइनली ना कहीं आप उस इंसान के थ्रू कृष्णा के साथ आप कनेक्ट कर जाते हो, unintentionally, intentionally, knowingly, unknowingly, you are able to connect to Krishna. So whatever I am speaking today is coming out from my mouth, but it is my Siksha Guru who is speaking. Like I am just speaking like a tape recorder. जो भी निकल रहा है, जो भी भाव है, वो सब उनके वजह से ही है। And that's why I decided my whole motive was to uh, give the essence of Prabhupada's contribution that he has made for us, of Prabhupada's mood and love for Krishna. So thank you so much, Vidur Prabhu, for joining today. And we still have like 5 minutes. So if you want to say something, if you want to share something, the floor is yours.
Okay, so no, thank you for the class. What I will do is, I found, if you go on Google, no, I will send you the link. If you simply type Srila Prabhupada timeline, there is a Vanipedia link. It will open up.
Yeah, I saw that, but and
Yeah,
that's
just
for the lectures. That's not for his uh, that's not for his like biography. That's his lectures and audio transcripts. I saw that. I have that. Like in my MacBook, if you see, like if you see my laptop, it will like there are so many things, so many references are there. So I have all those links saved with me, and that's why because when I was speaking to Ashok Krishna Prabhu about starting the Leelamrita, so he was like, "आप कृष्ण कथा कैसे करेंगे resources?" So I said, I'm not boasting myself. Like when I was about to leave for Canada, like we couriered certain things, but उसमें से 20 kgs का एक मेरा बॉक्स है जिसके अंदर there's कृष्णा कॉन्शियस बुक्स, एंड मेरे लैपटॉप के अंदर इतना सब फोल्डर्स है, एंड आई थिंक वही रिसोर्सेज की वजह से और जो कुछ मैंने सुना है, बिकॉज आई हैव द हैबिट ऑफ retaining and making notes when I'm hearing, whether I'm taking mental notes or whether I'm taking like written notes. वो इतने नोट्स वगैरह तो मैं नहीं ला सकती अपने, बट जो भी है, जो भी आप सुन रहे हैं वो फिलहाल मेरे मेंटल नोट्स से चल रहा है। क्योंकि रिटर्न नोट्स तो मैं ला नहीं सकी, वो इंडिया में रह गए, बट जो जितना मैं ला सकी बुक्स वगैरह यहाँ पे लेके आई हूँ। तो टाइमलाइन एंड ऑल थिंग्स आर देयर, एंड जो आप बोल रहे हो मैंने चेक किया था, बट दोज आर फॉर हिज लेक्चर, इज नॉट लाइक अ biography biography timeline. So
got it, got it.
I am in progress of making a list of chronological events, so we'll discuss. So आप अगर कुछ कहना चाहते हो, कुछ शेयर करना चाहते हो, कुछ पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस, हाउ यू फील जो हम इतने टाइम से कर रहे हैं उसकी वजह से आपकी लाइफ में कुछ चेंज आया है, आपकी भक्ति में कुछ प्रोग्रेस हुई है। आई नो आई डोंट हैव एनी योग्यता, बट स्टिल आई वुड लाइक टू हेयर, बिकॉज पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंसेस शेयर करने से इंस्पिरेशन मिलती है।
प्रोग्रेस ये हुई है कि आज की डेट में एटलीस्ट आई ट्राई, मेरा 16 राउंड स्ट्रेट एक गो में हो जाते हैं बाय द ग्रेस ऑफ कृष्णा। सो बिफोर 7 o'clock आई ट्राई टू फिनिश ऑल 16 राउंड, व्हिच इज गुड। ये तो कभी कभी शाम तक लटकते रहते थे तो बड़ा अच्छा नहीं लगता था, राइट। और एक बार 16 राउंड रहते हैं तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है।
It's like some accomplishment कि आज दिन का बहुत बड़ा काम हो गया you know.
अच्छा लगता है. So this is happening. Or somehow or the other way, I'm trying to read at
My
least.
only motive to ask you this question that like because of these sessions, somewhere or not, are you feeling more deeply connected to Krishna or not?
Yes, definitely, because see, we are giving time. I'm trying to listen to you. I'm trying to understand what you're talking, and then,
I
like,
hope I make sense.
yeah, that is what, right? So at least when we are giving time, it will make sense eventually, right? And when I will read whatever you have said, it will make some connection.
Thank you so much. And thank you so much for continuously coming and attending and taking out time.
No, no, no problem.
Thank you so
Okay,
much.
man.
So we'll end here. I think we are absolutely on time.
Yes, Mataji. Okay, take care. Thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you.
Hare
Bye.
Krishna.